This is the installation of the SS-1000 Defender Slingshot full cover on a 2022 Polaris Slingshot. This Defender Slingshot cover is made of UltraMax material, which is an innovative, durable polyester material. It features maximum UV protection against the sun's harmful rays, and it even comes packed in a free compression sack for ultimate compact storage. It secures easily using an elastic hem and integrated quick-release strap system. And the exclusive Perma-Venting system minimizes condensation and allows air circulation. This full cover is a great way to protect your slingshot from the elements. And there it is, the installation of the SS-1000 Slingshot full cover. If looking for just cab protection in a smaller package, please check out the SS-500 Slingshot half cover. Get your Nelson-Rigg Defender full cover or half cover today.